Well, I coach them in everything from football, wrestling, baseball, so work, I don't think for any of us is really any different than being part of that team. We've just always done everything as a team. Oh, I knew he was going to do it right away because he liked fixing and building things at the age of 3.
Since I was a kid, I liked working with my hands. I knew I always wanted to get into construction. So I worked for Hartwig's in the summertime throughout high school, being a shop kid, and then my senior year I worked in the work program. So every morning I'd come here 6 to 9 and then I'd go to school after that. So right after high school I got into the union and furthered my career here.
And I wasn't sure about him because he went and got his degrees in college, so I didn't know where that would take him. The fact that he wanted to come here and be part of the team is pretty neat.
When I was in school, I was going a different route at first, and then I got my master's in business administration, and that sort of opened up my eyes to the possibilities of what I could do here, and being able to work with family was something important to me.
That's the interesting part. They could have done about anything, so it's pretty neat that, they decided to come here and be part of the plumbing team.